Hi viewers, happy to meet you. I am BV Ganeshan, BVG channel. Today, under the heading of potency in our hand, we are going to see vicious circle or vicious cycle. That means from the word vicious circle, we can derive the meaning. One problem makes another problem, that will make another problem, which will make the first problem. Always it will rotate again. That is known as a vicious cycle. In our potency, many men and women, sometimes they get failure in intercourse due to very tiredness, mentally tired or physically tired. Sometimes people may be sick for some time. Sometimes they are preoccupied by some other things. During such times, if we have an intercourse, we will have a failure for both men and women. Particularly, we have to have a sex when we are in relaxed and happy mood. But people do not do this. Whenever they want to have sex, they will have intercourse. Even though they are preoccupied with any work or any other things, they do not think about this. During such times, sometimes they will get failure. This will create some other things. That is known as a vicious cycle, vicious circle. For example, a rejected look from a girl, a ridiculous word from a girl, which also demolish our erection of the man. So he will think, oh, everything is collapsed, everything has come to end. So he will have such a morbid fear and worry. So next time he goes to a girlfriend or wife or anybody, he will concentrate on the penis, or worry. He will concentrate on worry. He will concentrate on fear instead of concentrating on her partner. He may think how our penis may perform this time. This type of worries may keep his penis from giving any performance. So fear and erection do not go together. Okay, they are very exclusive. So when you have any failure, sometimes your partner may compare you to other men, may ridicule you sometimes. So such events may affect your brain. So always you think about these things. Instead of concentrating about the stimulants that were used for sex, the sex stimulants. Instead of concentrating on sex stimulants, you will concentrate what she has told you, what she has ridiculed you. So such time you will get a failure. So next time when you attend the sex, you have to face two things. First, a kind of fearness. Second, you will make a performance anxiety. So you think how this time how we will do, how we can solve this problem. So this such thoughts will occupy your mind. Automatically you will spectate, that is, see your sexual organ, whether it is getting erection or not. So normally this natural function like a digestion, breath, it functions naturally without our conscious thought, conscious effort. So when you concentrate on your organ, automatically you become conscious about your organ. So when you conscious, that is known as a self-conscious. When you become a self-conscious, you certainly get a not erection. You will have a limp organ. So when you have failure, you have a kind of fearness that creates performance anxiety, that creates a spectate, that is self-consciousness, that creates failure, that creates anxiety. So this rotates continually, that is known as a vicious circle, vicious cycle. So to avoid this, what we have to do, we have to ignore the failure. Whenever you get a failure, don't think about it, don't fear about this, don't doubt about this. Some people may doubt about their erection power, whether we have lost the erection power. Oh, this is the end of our sex function. So such thought goes in his mind. Whenever he has such thoughts, automatically he will have a failure. That is known as a vicious cycle. For example, some people may have intercourse with an unknown girl. Similarly, some girls may have an intercourse with unknown men. When a man have a sex with an unknown girl, she may make any sporty comments. That the sporty comments may affect his organ, may affect his sexual functions, performance. For example, when a person attempts sex with an unknown girl, she may sporty comment, "Is that all you have organ? Is that all you have got?" That is, he comments about his size of his penis. Suddenly, that may create a thought in his mind, oh, we have a very small penis. Okay, so that thought is enough for his poor performance. He always think about this thought, oh, whether we are getting a very small penis, others may have a good long penis. So just this type of thoughts. Some girl may say you are unfit for this. So this is a sporty, a casual comment may affect his sexual performance. So that's enough. That is enough for his poor performance. He always think about it. Whenever he goes attempt sex, his thoughts will comes to his mind. He, instead of concentrating on his partner, he concentrate on his thought. He concentrate on his penis. Automatically, that will create failure. Once again, he will have anxiety. Once again, he have failure. Once again, he goes to attempt sex. He have a failure. So this will rotates. The same case applies to girls also. Some girl attempt sex with unknown person. The unknown person give away a sporty comment, you are unfit for that sex, you are unfit, you are not good, your size is very poor, you are ugly. So this type of words, ridiculous words, may affect her performance in future. So she has to ignore all these things. Otherwise, she may meet this type of vicious circle. So avoid a vicious circle. We have to very careful in dealing with others, in dealing with the performance, in dealing with the unknown persons. Whenever you attend sex, you have to be very relaxed condition, very happy mood, very not tired. Okay, you should not be very tired physically and mentally. You have to be very relaxed condition. You have to be very happy mood. Automatically, that will boost your performance. If you are sick, just don't attend sex for time being. After you recover from a sick, you can attend sex, because that intercourse needs very large energy, heavy energy. So during sick time, you may lose, you have may given away all energy physically and mentally. So such times, during such time, you better avoid sex. After recover from sick, you can do all these things. Similarly, when you are tired, do not do it. When you are preoccupied with any work, any anxiety, anything, don't attempt it. Some people may have too much alcohol. Such time, during such time, better avoid sex, because when you take too much alcohol, the brain will not function. You may have a desire to do sex, but the brain will not allow. So, when you have too much alcohol, better avoid sex. Some people during such time attempt sex, gets failure, they will come to conclusion we have lost our manliness. So the vicious cycle will be formed. So when you are too much alcohol, better avoid. After that you can do it. So we have to be very careful in the vicious circle, that is vicious cycle. Okay, what I have told so far for men may be applied to women also. Okay friends, enjoy your life. Please keep these all things or save this in your file. Whenever you have a small doubt regarding this, you may refer my link and like it, share your with friends, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.